In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw money from your Wise account to your Canadian bank account. So here, I'm just going to log into my mobile app. So even though no money is in my account now, I'm going to walk you over the steps, right? So in the app, select send. For simplicity, I'm just going to say $10. Now for the recipient, you're going to choose Canadian dollars as well. Then you're going to select continue. Here, you're going to add new recipient. So you can select yourself or someone else. So let's select myself. Information it's going to ask you is going to be pretty much the same. You have the option to send money to your bank account using the institution number of the bank, the transit number and the account number, and selecting the right account type. Now you may be wondering where you get your institution number and the transit number. Typically, once you log into your bank account and you select your account within your mobile app, whichever one you're using, and you go on like account details, you can get your institution and your transit number, right? Then you're just going to fill in that information here and select confirm. So I'm going to select myself again and select the interact option. So with the interact option, all you need to do is specify your email address that you have registered with Interac. So even if you don't have it registered with Interac already, once you send the money, it will ask you to register and then ask you to select a bank account that you want to deposit the money to. And then that's pretty much it. So here I'm going to step back again. So I'm going to step back and select, for example, my existing account. So here you can see this is my institution number and my transit number, and this would be my bank account, right? And then all I need to do is select confirm and then decide how I want to pay. Now in your case, you would be using your Wise balance. So here at the bottom, I don't have any money in my Wise balance, so I can't use that option. So in your case, money would be in your Wise balance, so all you need to do is just select this option and then continue to the transfer. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.